What if you could translate your videos into over 160 different languages with your exact voice, perfect local accents, and lip syncing so precise that viewers won't even know it's translated? Today, we are looking at Vozo AI. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a creator, marketer, or educator, expanding your global reach usually means spending days on translation, hiring voice actors, and dealing with awkward subtitles. Vozo AI is trying to change all of that. It's an all-in-one video localization platform that promises to turn weeks of translation work into just a few hours. Let's dive into how it works and what makes it stand out in 2026. First, let's talk about the voices. Vozo uses two unique cloning technologies called Voice Real and Voice Native. Built on over 200,000 hours of human speech, these tools clone your voice while keeping your original emotion and delivering natural, native-sounding accents in the target language. But a great voice clone looks weird if the lips don't match. That's where their lip reel technology comes in. It uses advanced spoken face data to adjust the speaker's lip movements to match the newly translated words perfectly. On top of that, Vozo features visual translation. Instead of just adding subtitles, it actually detects on-screen text, erases it, translates it, and rebuilds it in the new language while keeping your original fonts, styles, and animations intact. And if you do want subtitles, it generates those too, with smart line breaks and style customization. What makes this great for creators is the level of control you get. Vozo isn't just a one-click and hope for the best tool. It has an intuitive editor where you can proofread and edit the translated text, adjust the timing of the dubbing, and choose between different dubbing models. You can even set up a custom glossary so specific product names or character terms stay consistent throughout your entire video. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the combination of voice cloning, lip syncing, and on-screen text translation in one dashboard is incredibly powerful. As for the cons, because this is a highly specialized tool, we currently have limited external user reviews to draw from. This means we can't fully speak to how it performs across every single one of its 160 languages. Because of that, we highly recommend taking advantage of their free trial to test it out with your own footage first. Overall, if you want to scale your content globally without spending thousands on localization agencies, Vozo AI is absolutely worth a look. You can sign up for a free trial at vozo.ai to test the lip syncing and voice cloning for yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments which language you're going to translate your videos into first. See you in the next one.